Alright, so in this video we're going to try the Warheads Blue Raspberry Blizzard cubes. She says they're new. So we shall see. Found these at Walmart in the Christmas stuff. I'm going to try this one. Oh, it's a shame. The others aren't sour to me. Those are. Those babies are sour. I think there's 3 different blues, isn't there? Damn. That light blue is the least sour. The other 2 blues are sour. Much more sour. Do you like them? I like the flavor, but man, they're sour. And you're acting like it's not sour?
Sure.
The normal cubes is sour to you. And they're not to me. I thought they were. Is it Sour Patch Kids? Alright, so if you want to try these, go check your local Walmart. Thanks for watching. Bye.